Beautiful large one bedroom in Elmhurst. This is entrance. This is the living room, a large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light in the day. On the left is a separate kitchen. A lot of cabinets, a lot of corner space. And that's the exhaust for the kitchen. It comes with a dishwasher. So you can use the dining area here. There's a closet, coat closet on the entrance. Closet. It's the bedroom. A large bedroom can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. It comes with a closet here. Deep closet. There's another closet here. Closet in the bedroom. Bathroom all renovated, very clean, beautiful tiles. It's the linen closet. Beautiful apartment, elevated building, lounge in the building near banks, restaurant, grocery shops. A few blocks from the train. An apartment's very good price, gonna go very quick. If you wanna view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.